Welcome to Module 2. Today we are moving from the history of tech into the engine room of modern business called intelligent driven decision making. No matter which industry you are currently placed in for your WBL, whether you are working in a clinic, hospital, a warehouse, or a corporate office, the core challenge is the same. How do we use the massive amount of data we collect to make the right move at the right time? So for that, we will be covering three major parts in this module called Decision Support System Foundation, Real-Time Analytics, Ethics and Bias. Think about a decision made in your workplace today. How many were based on a manager's hunch versus hard data? In a high-stakes environment, a gut feeling isn't just unreliable. Okay, it is a liability. A decision support system, or DSS, is the tool that replaces guesswork with evidence. It is a framework that takes the messy information from your daily operations and turns it into a structured map for the future. Next, architecture of insight. In your current workplace, you are likely interacting with at least one part of this architecture. Okay, you have the database where all the records are stored, the model base, which is the logic or the rules your company uses to evaluate the success, and the user interface, which is the dashboard or software you log into every morning. As an IT professional, our goal is to ensure this pipeline from the data to dashboard is fast, accurate, and secure. Next is modern real-time analytics. The speed of business has changed. So most of us used to batch reports like a weekly summary of what happened last week. That's OLAP, okay, online analytical processing, OLAP. But in your WBL, you might see the needs for real-time analytics. If a patient's vital drops, okay, if a production line jams, or if a stock price crashes, you don't need a report next Monday. You need a system that alerts you and suggests a solution the second it happens. Next, the analytics maturity curve. So as you look at the systems in your company, try to place them on this curve. Okay, most companies start with descriptive analytics, okay, just reporting the past, but the real value you can bring as a WBL student is helping your organization move toward the predictive or even prescriptive stages. This is where the system doesn't just say we lost money, okay, but it says if we change this one process today, we will save 10% next month. Ethics, misuse, and risk. So there are 4 dangers here. This is the most critical for your professional practice. Technology isn't perfect. If the data we put into our system is biased, the decision coming out will be biased too, whether it is an algorithm that decides who gets a loan or a system that schedules employee shifts. We must watch out for dark patterns that prioritize profit over the people. Our job is to ensure the human in the loop is always there to question the machine. Okay, next. Scenario analysis, the HR algorithm. Let's see. Let's apply this to a general workplace scenario. Imagine a system designed to maximize efficiency by cutting idle time. It might look great on a spreadsheet, but it might also lead to employee burnout or safety risk that the data doesn't capture. Okay, In your WBL, when you see a system suggesting an optimized path, ask yourself, does this account for human well-being, or is it just chasing a number? So as a recap, to summarize, DSS is about turning data into a competitive edge. We have looked at the technical, how, and the ethical why. So as you go back to your workplace tomorrow, so I want you to look at the tools you and ask, is this system just describing the past, or is it truly helping us build a smarter, more ethical future? Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.